Hello guys and welcome. I've got this speaker to show, this homemade PlayStation speaker. It does rattle a bit, but I've done pretty well at sealing it. Just in advance, I just want to let you know, basically I'm having issues in my life. Um, it's nothing health related, but hello guys and welcome. I've got this current speaker here. It's basically a PlayStation glass box, which I've turned into a Bluetooth speaker. Um, I do apologize. I've got stuff happening at the moment, which is making it quite hard for me. I don't want to go into detail, but that's why I've not uploaded a video in quite a long time. Also, on my community, just keep an eye on that. But anyway, I'm going to start this video now. This is a 10-watt subwoofer, and I'm going to be using a NCS song that I found, which is pretty decent. That's the name of the song right there. Let's begin. The box does rattle a bit, by the way, guys. There's also a passive radiator on this, as I'm about to show now. As you can see. It usually sounds a lot better than this when you have it on a little Bluetooth amp. This is a very powerful one. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and goodbye.